Hello everyone, my name is Khubaib and the game that my team is making in OOP is called Medieval Warfare, and my team members are Moid Ghani, Murtaza, Shafi and myself. This video is to basically indicate how much progress we have made so far. So we have made our initial UMLs and designed our screens, and we have made a flow of screens from start screen to gameplay screen to game over screen, and we have made the header files and some spreadsheets for some of our troops. Some of our characters have been made.
So I worked on the UML and I'll be explaining the UML. So we basically use an abstract factory pattern so to make two factories so that we could create different troops for enemies and players, and then we use an iterator so that we could go over the troops in the linked list, which will be implemented in a linked list. And then we have a game class which will be looking over the game and the game loop. Next we'll be having throwables, which will be the things that the troops can throw, and the buttons as well, which will be different in every aspect. Like every button will have different implementation.
I've made spreadsheet for two classes, the archer class and the spearman class. For archer class, I made two spreadsheets basically for the player archers and for the enemy archers. Also with the spearman spreadsheets, I made two of them, one for the player and the other for the enemy. All of them have been made using the universal LPC spreadsheet generator by Gaurav Manjal.
Have a new game button, a load game button, a start, quit button. For now, we just have a start button to show you guys the animation part of the buttons. So if I hover the mouse over the button, you can see that it pops out. That's the animation part. Now, if I press the start button, it goes in the in-game screen. Now, if for example you die, it gives the game over screen and the program exits. So these are the frames for the start button. There are total 4 frames. These are stored in msprite frames, which has a data type of SDL So each time, every time the mouse hovers over the button, the frame increases, and each time it renders a new sprite.
So the main thing that I did is to create the header files. Right now we have 28 header files, and each header file contains the methods and the attributes which each class/structure would be using. And this provides us a general interface of how our program will interact, how each classes will interact with one another, and will allow us to work parallelly. So in the next week, what you can expect is that the UML would be upgraded and become more concrete as the project develops, and that the gameplay screen would now contain troops and they would be moving instead of just a gameplay screen as just a screen. So looking forward to see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.